Interesting question from Oceanography asked on Carlsberg Ridge. Now, Carlsberg Ridge is located in the northwest Indian Ocean, that is located on a divergent plate boundary between Africa and the Indian subcontinent. And the most important thing here is the feature of this rift is that it extends as a rift valley at its crest, and more importantly, the spreading rate is somewhere at around 2 to 3 centimeters per year. Again, it's interesting because the name Carlsberg came from the Carlsberg Foundation, which was a Danish brewery, and this brewery was the one that funded the mapping of this expedition, and therefore the name as Carlsbridge. So this is again an interesting thing that you must know. There are other important Indian Ocean ridges that you must be aware about. So 90 East Ridge is one of the famous ones. Then we have the Java Trench, which is one of the deepest point. The Chagos Lakdiv Ridge, which is again important. The Mascarene Ridge, the Mascarene Plateau as it is called as, is again one of the very important ones. So those are some of the important things that you must remember about Indian Ocean. Now, oceanography, we have seen as always around 5 to 10 questions which are asked in UGC NET. December again, this was the proportion of the questions that were asked. For complete paper analysis, follow the link below.